Welcome to the Blockchain Security Monk tutorials as part of the FortaBot development training. In lesson 20, we focus on one of DeFi's most powerful and dangerous tools, that are the flash loan. A flash loan allows someone to borrow millions without collateral, as long as they return it in the same transaction. If they are used well, it powers arbitrage and liquidations. But if they are used maliciously, it fuels exploits and oracle manipulation. So let's start by understanding flash loan easier. Think of a flash loan like borrowing a Lamborghini for 5 seconds. So take it for a short spin, impress the neighborhood, and then return it before anyone notices. If you fail to return it, then the transaction reverts, and it's like nothing ever happened. Attackers use flash loan to amplify attacks instantly without risk. Let's start checking the project structure. So that starts with the source folder that contains the flash loan detection logic. Then we have the test folder in which we're going to put the unit test to simulate flash loan events. Then we have the package.json that includes the Node.js dependencies, and the forta.config.json that includes the configuration for networks and IPFS. And finally, the README document that for documentation and usage instruction as you want to expand further if you want later. So let's review the bot logic in agent.js. Here's the process. The bot filters transactions for flash loan events. If it is found, it emits a medium severity finding object. And then the metadata includes initiator, the asset, and an amount. This is the first step to a real-time exploit detection. So now let's run this bot in our local environment by installing the required dependencies, writing npm install to install the npm package. This sets up a Forta agent and ethers for your bot. Once that's ready, then run the bot in local simulation mode. So we have to write npx Forta agent run. Then we are going to see that the agent is starting and finally is running locally, and it is waiting for transactions. But there is no findings yet, because the local simulator won't automatically trigger a flash loan event by default. So in order to see a finding, we have to simulate a flash loan event. So let's simulate a flash loan manually by creating a unit test in our test folder, creating a new file called simulate_flashloan.js. You can fill it up with any big number amount, such as 5 million USDC, and then run it in your terminal with node test/simulate_flashloan.js. And as a result, the output is going to be a finding object containing the name flash loan detected, and in the description you're going to read flash loan of 5 million USDC from the attacker address. Once you get this findings object as an output, this will confirm that your bot can detect flash loans in real time. So in summary, by completing lesson 20, you can now detect flash loans using event logs. You can simulate and validate alerts locally before deployment. And you can understand flash loans as both a DeFi tool and a potential attack vector. This bot is your early warning system for suspicious instant borrowing activity in the different blockchains. So now your bots are becoming more powerful, and now they can see the invisible leverage of DeFi. So I hope this lesson has been helpful, and until the next meditation.